We want to do the math on how we're going to get to that $2,000 per month income. Yes, you can make way more. I make way more than that with the software alone, but I want to give you guys, basically the rent killer. Okay, this will pay your mortgage. This will pay, a Lamborghini car payment. Okay, so let's just figure out how we're going to get to that $2,000 per month income. So basically, you got the Builderall Business calculator right here. So you can basically see how many softwares you're going to have to sell and what percent is going to convert and stuff like that to get to that $2,000 per month income. As you can see, it shows right here. Okay, so let's say, so how many licenses can you sell in 1 year? Okay, so basically, how many times can you sell the software in 1 year? All right, so 1 year. So let's just change this to 3 months, okay? Because honestly, I don't want to wait a year for this, okay? We want to get to that $2,000 month income fast, okay? So let's do 60 days, okay? All right, so let's say you sell 3 a week, okay? So 3 a week, okay? It's not even 1 a day, it's 3 a week, okay? So if we do, let's see, 60, so let's see, that's around 8 weeks times 3, that's 24, okay? So we're going to be selling 24 in the next 2 months, okay? So let's say, how many licenses convert in commercial? So basically this means how many people are going to do the $49 per month plan, basically promoting the software. So that's going to be our main demographic of people. So let's do 80%. Let's say 80% of them convert. And so next thing is how many licenses each second tier commercial sell in 1 year. Okay, so basically that means all these people, you're going to be giving these people training that signed up under you. So let's say all of them sell the same amount of you, or let's even say less. Let's say they sell twice a week in 60 days. Okay, so that's what? 8 times 2, 16. So 8 weeks, twice a week, 16. Okay, so 16 right there. Boom, we're at a $3,000 per month income, okay? And we didn't even do this yet. So let's see. Again, they're promoting to the same people who want to promote the software, so people that convert to the license or the Builderall Business plan. And let's say 80% again, $4,500 per month, okay? So if we do half the numbers, guys, so literally if we get 12 sales in 8 weeks, okay, that's like stupid easy. 12 sales in 8 weeks, 80% of them convert, and let's say they're doing the same numbers, they get 12, that's still $1,700 a month, so maybe you get 15 right here. 15 would bring you to $2,100 a month. Okay, so kind of play around with this commercial, with this little calculator, and look at the numbers, guys. $2,100 a month, and you're selling 15 people. You get 15 sales, and these numbers were in 60 days. Okay, so even if you do it in a year, would that change your life in 1 year? An extra $2,000 per month. So 15 in a whole year would like be a cakewalk, right? 80% of those people convert, and then all of these 15 people, they all get the same amount of sales or less sales than you do, and you're going to be giving them training. Okay, you're going to be giving them mind training or whatever. Okay, so that's kind of like crazy, kind of blows my mind on how much money you can make with the software. So go play around with the software, go sign up for your free trial, or if you want to get straight to promoting the plan, the first link will be the $49 per month plan. Buy that right now, and you'll be able to access all the tools, and you'll be able to promote this software. It's pretty crazy what you can do. Even if you just sell like 1 or 2, you'll basically be getting the software for free. So that's really easy to do too. So anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.